Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. It's mango mania today because I have prepared few dishes with mangoes to show you all. Now being abroad, away from my beautiful land of Kerala, where we have mangoes growing in our garden, we love to eat mangoes as a fruit itself. But here the dishes were prepared because I got this box full of mangoes from Lulu as a gift when they invited us for the mango festival that's going on in any outlets here in Oman. It's till 1st of June 2022. So if you're residing in Oman, go check out any Lulu outlet and grab your favorite one. They have 50 varieties and lots of dishes prepared with mango. I had already shared a reel of it on my Instagram. The event was inaugurated by the Indian ambassador to Oman. Me, along with my very dear friend Nifla, had enjoyed the variety dishes prepared, beginning with a slice of cake and then to many more. And they even gifted us a box of sweets and pastries to take back home along with the box of mangoes. As I had enough mangoes with me, I thought I'll try preparing few variety dishes with it and show you all. Hope you like it. Keep watching. So these dishes were prepared on one single day, so you can imagine it's easy to prepare. Let's begin with Qatayef, an Arabic sweet of which I had already done earlier. But this time it's with mango filling. This tastes really amazing and you must try it. This was my family's favorite among all. So for this you need to prepare the pancake. Into a blender goes in 2 cups all-purpose flour or the maida. Then semolina. This is not roasted one. You may use roasted, doesn't matter. Add 4 tablespoons of semolina to the blender. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's 1 tablespoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda. Now you need a total of 3 cups warm water. I added 2 cups first and later added 1 more cup. And here's the pancake batter which has a runny consistency. This batter needs to be compulsorily rest for 30 minutes. Only then you get the right texture. If you don't allow it for resting, the pancakes won't get cooked the way it needs to be. Meanwhile, I prepare the filling. You can either crush 1 mango, but do not use a blender. Here I chopped into very small pieces. The bits of mangoes gives an amazing taste and freshness to the dish. For a crunch, I used pistachios. Instead of this, you may use cashews, almonds or walnuts or even a mix of all. You just need a handful. Roughly crush them. Into a bowl, add 180 grams of cream cheese. Just a quick mix to make it creamy. Add the chopped mangoes to it and then goes the crushed pistachios. Mix it well. The mangoes are already sweet that you don't have to add any sugar. And in the end, we anyway pour the sugar syrup to sweeten the dish. Keep that in the fridge until needed. The batter has been resting for half an hour. Time to prepare the pancakes. Place a pan over medium heat. Pour 1/4 cup of the batter. You can see the bubbles forming on top. Let the white color fade completely and it's done. Do not flip to the other side. Make all the pancakes and cover them as shown or else it will go dry. Once the pancakes have cooled down, place them as shown so that it doesn't stick. Parallelly prepare sugar syrup with 1½ cup sugar, 3/4 cup of water and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Boil till the sugar dissolves. Take out the mango cream cheese mix from the fridge and start filling the pancakes. Take out 1 pancake, add 1 tablespoon or a half tablespoon more in the center and cover to a half moon shape. Press well to stick. You don't need anything else to make it stick. Prepare all the same way. Now you may leave it as such and pour the sugar syrup on top. To make it extra tasty, fry these Qatayefs in oil. Deep fry or shallow fry. Let the color change to a nice golden brown. Dip each in sugar syrup and place on a tray. Or here what I did was, I arranged everything on a plate and then pour the sugar syrup. And there you have this amazing sweet. Very flavorful with the mango in it. Have been really looking forward to prepare this mango chicken salad ever since I saw this in Lulu in the freshly prepared food section. It doesn't look the same. Have given lots of changes to make it healthy and filling. For this, preparing the chicken first. Heat 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a small piece of butter. Then goes in half kilo boneless chicken cut in small pieces. Cook till the color changes to pale. Make sure flame is medium. Then goes in some salt, 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder and 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Mix really well and reduce the flame to low. If you don't have paprika, you may skip that, and for the garlic powder, you can instead fry chopped garlic before adding chicken. To this goes in 2 teaspoons soy sauce and 1 teaspoon chili sauce. Mix really well. Let the liquid evaporate and the chicken gets well coated with all the spices. It takes just overall 15 to 20 minutes for the chicken to get cooked. And this is done. Chop some lettuce, around 4 or 5 leaves. Add that to a mixing bowl. Then 1 large cucumber chopped in medium size. Add that to the bowl. Then the star ingredient of today's video, mango. This is couscous. If you don't have this, you may skip. I used 1/4 cup. Add hot water, just the amount above it. Cover it for 5 minutes. This is feta cheese, cut in small cubes. Again, an optional ingredient. Add a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Add the cooked chicken into the bowl. Give a mix. Add the feta cheese and give a gentle mix. The couscous is done. Use a fork to mix and add to the bowl. Feta cheese is salty and even the chicken has salt, so I didn't add more. If you need, do check and add. Add 1/2 teaspoon crushed black pepper and 2 tablespoons olive oil. The salad tastes better when cold. Garnish and serve. Moving on to the next simple sweet. It's mango Rava laddu. For this, blend 1 mango to a pulp and keep aside. Into a pan, heat 3 tablespoons of ghee. To this, roast 1 cup semolina. Make sure flame is low-medium. Roast till it's light golden brown color and you get that roasted aroma. It takes around 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure you're roasting continuously so that it doesn't burn. Then goes in 1/4 cup milk. Mix till the semolina is well combined with the milk. Add the mango pulp. This comes to almost 1 cup. Mix well. Then to sweeten the dish, I added 3 tablespoons sugar, which was perfect. You may add more if you need. Then goes in a handful of chopped cashews and raisins. Add 1/4 teaspoon crushed cardamom seeds. Mix well. You may have this as such like a halwa, or else while it's still warm, roll to ladoos. The mango gives the ladoos the extra flavor and taste. Finally, with the simplest of all, mango cream, or I guess this can also be named mango mousse. Very easy with just 2 ingredients, mango and whipped cream. Here I've used 250 ml of whipping cream. To make it more thick and creamy, I added 2 sachets of whipping powder. This is vanilla flavored one. Blend on high speed till you get stiff peaks. And there it is. Whipping cream is ready now. Add the mango pulp into the whipping cream and gently fold till everything is well incorporated. Use a piping bag to easily fill in small cups. Garnish with some mango pieces and serve chilled. So that's for today's range of dishes with this succulent fruit. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and please do try these recipes. Would love to get your feedback as well. Do share it on my Instagram or email. See you soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.